Okay, so I already made a lot of this at the, or I guess before the conference, but then I've been using it a lot. It's summer, and I was like, oh, I should probably like, I don't know, go outside more. It's a long winter too, and so I think the last like 1.5 months I've been walking like almost every day. Probably average like 20,000 steps, and I wasn't really walking at all before. And yeah, I guess the idea is just uploading walks on App Protocol, and then the other idea is like combining that with a podcast or your thoughts. So if you're by yourself, you can just kind of yap, but ideally you find someone else and you just talk and you go someplace, see where it goes. And just being able to plot that on a map is like really fun. I guess I can share like my walks. I did end up publishing the app on the App Store. So it's called Sauntercast. So it's like a combination of sauntering, which is like wandering, plus cast podcast. I didn't really broadcast it yet, so if you want to try it, let me know. Oh, and also if anyone here wants to do a walk with me this summer, let me know too.
And on that note, one of the next atproto New York City meetups is a group walk around Brooklyn using Henry's app.
Thanks. I guess we just decided that. So not planned. Yeah.
You should do the tippity top to the tippity bottom.
Yeah. We were talking. I want to do something like that. I know, like.
Wear good shoes.
Yes, definitely need to get new shoes.
I will skip that one.
Yeah. I wish I could share my phone, but. 1 second. Okay. Okay. Cool. Thank
Whatever
you.
you want.
Cool. It's funny not bringing your. I just ran today, so I didn't want to bring my laptop with me. Okay, so I'll just do. So I have one site which I think I've shared with people before, but this one is. I only have like 5 on here, I think. Yeah. So these are a few walks I did. So this is one in Prospect with my friend Melody. This one's with Brendan. This was the first one I did, which was last year, Memorial Day. I vibe coded the app in like an hour at home before I did this. So I've been iterating on it the last year. I was thinking how people are always like, oh, I vibe coded this thing in like 2 days. And I'm like, I want to see a vibe coded app that you've been working on for a year. I feel like that means a lot more than you made something in a weekend. And I actually did one when we were at the conference at UBC. So that was cool as well. Yeah, so this, the app currently doesn't integrate with App Protocol, but I feel like if I go home, I could like make it work in like one day. And I guess, yeah, I wish I could share my phone screen, but essentially it's kind of like a Strava thing. You can see, these are all fake. And then you can track things. You can also take photos while you're walking. The idea is you're kind of, you're walking and then you might see a video, take a picture. You don't have to take the picture on the app itself. You just use your camera app and it'll automatically show up. Everything is local as well. So I didn't really design it for App Protocol, but because everything's saved to your device, you can export it and we can figure out the right lexicon for that. And it has like this lock screen thing, and you can share an image. I guess you can't see that. Okay, and then something I did, like, I think it was last week or the day before. Let me see this. Hopefully this works. Okay, cool. Oh wait, I don't have.
Call into the meeting from your phone. You can present your screen.
Oh, okay. Let's see. How do I? Never done that. Is there like a?
It's got a code if you're back to
This?
While Henry figures that out, you may recognize Henry from his last year's hackathon project, where if you tagged him in a mention for a post on Blue Sky, he had a little receipt printer that would print out whatever you posted. And so we all had a lot of fun with that at the Hack Day and at Atmosphere. It works with images as well. So I think this is a little precursor to what Henry's about to show us.
Is it just this, maybe?
I think so.
I don't even know if I have the app. It might take a while. have to download it. Okay, well, yeah, it's fine. Where is my? I don't even know where was that screen? Okay, I lost my. Okay, whatever. Okay, well, I'll just describe what I was going to show. I guess this kind of was something that maybe could turn into something I would want to put on Ad Protocol, but my friend's church has like this prayer room where, you know, for the week you can like kind of sign up for slots to, the idea is like this, every hour someone's going to be in that room, and then like for the whole week, you know, like there's someone there praying. It's like a cool like unbroken chain of prayer, and there's little like stations where you can pray. They asked me to do like kind of an installation. Last year I actually did use the printer, and I ended up printing like a really big version of the Last Supper where it's like a puzzle piece, like everyone has to like put the thing. And I wanted to do something different. I told their pastor about this app, and he's like, oh, it'd be cool to do like a prayer walk. We're talking about walking. And so the idea with this is when you're leaving the church, you download the app and then you start a walk, and then wherever you go, end up, you save it and you send it to my server. And then I would animate this like cool like graph of like everywhere, where everyone lives in Brooklyn, basically. The funniest part is, and it's, yeah, it's private. And the funniest part is that I don't know how many people actually download the app, so I basically just walked a lot. I went to the church and then went somewhere to make it look like there's like all this stuff. So it really wasn't our project, it was just me. But I think the idea is that it would be cool to kind of join like an event or in a group, or even like from here, we all walk somewhere. Obviously, you don't need to, you know, end up where your house is or something, but it'd be cool just to see like where everyone is or want to cover a certain ground. And so that's something I'm thinking about, like how to integrate with the protocol. But yeah, that's it. Thanks. And if you want to download it, please ask me.
Does anyone have any questions for Henry? We've got one in the back.
So you said you're capturing audio too. So like while people are walking, are they talking into their phone, or they put it away and then?
So I just did one like spur of the moment. So I just did a run in Prospect, and my friend was like, let's just do a Sauntercast. I was like, okay. I didn't bring my mic, so then I just turn on the app, and then I just go like this, and then we kind of pass it back and forth. So you can just do that, and it's fine. I think just to give you a sense of my philosophy behind this is, when you normally do a podcast, it's about creating this, like, I would say, simulated environment where everything is pristine and perfect, and like no one's bothering you, right? You need to close everything so that it's like the perfect sound. So I think the idea is I want people to feel like they're in the real world, and you can hear the background. It's okay if the audio is not perfect. And if you can't really hear what they're doing, I mean, it's fine. It's more just like the experience of being in the world. And so if you don't have a mic, I think that's fine. I did buy one myself, so there's like DJI, little mini things.
Can you use the walk map as a playback timestamp? Because that'd be cool as hell.
Yeah,
like if you could like scroll through the walk and see.
Yeah. The website version that I made, and also the app, you can do that. So here, you can see. Can you? Oh, wait, you're not even. Okay, this is not the same. Okay, well, either way, here you can definitely do it. So you can like scrub through the timeline, and then like kind of the whole point is mapping the audio or the GPS with something. It doesn't even have to be audio. When you take the pictures as well, you have the location. Thanks.
All right. Oh.
Hey, so I downloaded the app, and I saw a feature that said live links. Could you tell me a little bit about that feature and how you built it out? What that's supposed to be?
Yeah, so it's funny. This thing is very personal. So like even that, I don't think anyone has ever used that feature other than me. That was because my friend or Melody was doing a half marathon, and it was like, if you just find my friends, you don't really know where they are, and you want to be able to take that picture or talk to them when they're about to pass you. So I was like, basically, I want to make it really accurate. Find my friends, or it's sending their like live location.
I could have used that.
Yeah. Normally, you would not want this either. Obviously, you don't want people to like stalk each other. It's like only for like people and for that moment, right? Or you want to meet them like where we're gonna meet, stuff like that. That was the purpose. And that also uses IRO, which is like a peer-to-peer way to, because I don't, another thing is I don't want to like pay for a server to host any of this. I still have to figure out what to do about if you do audio or video or photos, like how do I create an app view to do this? I don't know. Or I can do it for myself, obviously, but not like if suddenly all these people start using it. So yeah, open question.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
And if Sauntercast ever has trust and safety issues,
Yes.
you know who to talk to.
Yes.
Any other questions for Henry today?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess a bit of a quick, maybe stupid question, but so the app, considering it kind of traces your path, how does it handle using the subway if you end up doing it?
Yeah. I've been thinking a lot about this, but I'm curious if other people have ideas. I've tried to like leave this on the whole day just to see like what happens or how long it drains my battery. When you're in the subway, it has like that one dot, like when it gets signal. So it's like, it's actually kind of funny. It's like, oh, I kind of like see, and I make these like kind of dotted lines. So it would be kind of cool if, you know, we know where all the stations are and then generally where, so it might be a way to kind of guess where you're going.
Yeah, so basically where it caught blips of you, it can kind of construct the route you took.
Potential route.
Like, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So it's not there yet, but we could definitely work on that. Yeah. Good question.
Hey, Henry. I know that you record like a whole bunch of these Sauntercasts, and how much like hours of talking with people do you have, and do you do anything with like that big kind of backlog?
Me and Max just did one a while ago. I don't know. Yeah, I'm doing one every day this week, and a lot of them were just random people. I didn't do anything with them yet. I think I'm burnt out on trying to want to publish, even though I basically created this. Another reason was I didn't want to edit anything. You know, the podcast, you have to like edit it and you clip it and all that. I'm like, this is cool because it's just a raw thing. If you edit it, then the path is going to be like broken. It's an excuse for me to just post it as is. I was thinking of just putting it in this app. I don't know, some way to. I don't know how many people are ever gonna want to listen to like this one I did with my friend today. He's just doing laundry. We got lunch. It's just like your life. But I feel like there's something really meaningful about the day-to-day that is never gonna be. No one wants to post that stuff, but I feel like 10, 100 years from now, that would be like interesting. Like what was that like? Not the things that people want to tell, but just like the everyday. So maybe it's good just from an archival point of view. Yeah.
All right, any other questions? Oh, it was really funny when Henry was telling me about this project because we compared steps. He walked like 40,000 steps in one day. I walked 40. So I have volunteered to test this just so I am less sedentary. Thank you so much for Henry. Let's get a round of applause.